Hi, in front of me I have XIAOMI Poco C3 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. First, let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, I'm gonna open the Chrome browser. And now to take a screenshot, simply press the power button and volume down button together. You will hear the sound and this window right here will appear. That means you took the screenshot. And as you could see, we had two options. You can tap on send to share it with somebody or scroll if you want to take a scroll screenshot. For some reason it was grayed out right here. I don't know why. Let's try it. Try tapping on scroll, but I can't. I don't know why it doesn't work, but that's how you take a screenshot. You can also open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen twice. And here we have screenshot option and simply tap on it to take a screenshot like that. And you can open your screenshots in gallery, go to albums, screenshot album, and here we have our screenshots. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.